Namaste, welcome to my kitchen. I'm cooking lamb choila today, a Newari style grilled lamb that's spicy and smoky. Perfect for Dashain or get-togethers. Let's start my version of lamb choila. Here are the spices I used to boil the lamb with. Green onion leaves, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, star anise and some cloves. Today I'll be using fresh lamb meat. In boiling water, add the spices and the lamb. Let it simmer gently with the spices until it's nearly cooked. Once done, take out the meat and let it cool slightly. Once cooled, dice it into smaller pieces. On a hot pan, drizzle some oil and fry the lamb until it turns crisp and golden. Our goal here is not to dry the meat, but just fry it enough to get a light char and smoky flavor. Scoop them out into a bowl and let them cool a little. Now let's season. Add minced garlic and ginger to the lamb. Add salt, red chili powder, Sichuan pepper and just a little cumin and coriander powder. In a small pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add some fenugreek seeds and dried red chilies. Then add some chopped ginger. Pour this fragrant oil over the lamb mixture. Mix it all together, letting the lamb soak up the heat, the aroma and the freshness of the spices. Use your hands to press and mix well. This way, every bite is infused with flavor. Add fresh coriander leaves and a generous drizzle of mustard oil for a burst of color and that signature Nepali fragrance. Now transfer this spicy and smoky choila into a serving bowl. For the final touch, sprinkle a handful of green onion leaves on top. And here you go, your lamb choila is ready to share. Just a small tip, choila tastes better when it rests for some hours, so prepare it a day ahead if you can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll try this recipe at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for some more Nepali flavors from my kitchen.